In May 2023, on his third day on the job, a Colorado police officer fatally shoots a man who was trying to escape in a suspicious vehicle. According to an indictment obtained by CNN, the officer, Erik Hernandez, 34, was charged with second-degree murder in the death of 38-year-old Juston Reffel by a Weld County grand jury. Bodycam footage shows that Hernandez and Officer Sam Johnson reported a suspicious white Dodge Magnum that was improperly parked outside a Family Dollar in LaSalle, Colorado. The vehicle had been ineffectively painted white, had an obscured vehicle ID number, and had no records for the out-of-state license plate attached to it. According to the footage, Johnson blocks the Dodge by pulling a police car right in front of it, and the officers head into the store to locate the driver.
See anything in there?
There's some blankets.
I saw blankets. Let's ask this one. Copy. We get you a vent and that's going to be a negative. It used to be red.
Where does it come back on?
Nothing. Plate doesn't come back to anything. That's what he said.
So what are you going to do?
Two things I can do. We can, right now it's parked. Double parked, so we got a complaint so we could tow it, or if we wanted to be nice, leave a 72-hour tag on it and go that route. But in this case,
How about this? Pull the car up right in front of it and let's go see if they're inside.
I could do that for sure.
Roller paint job on the car, that headlight, that's suspicious.
Yeah.
I have every reason to start questioning something about that because that's against DOD.
Hello. Got a quick question for you.
Yes.
Did you see that white Dodge Magnum parked out there?
I did not.
Okay. Does anybody know if your employee drive a white Dodge Magnum?
I don't believe so.
Okay. Thank you.
You know, it's around what time?
I don't. Well, just right now. We just noticed it right now, so.
Oh, okay.
It hasn't been that long, I would assume.
Oh, okay.
Cool. Employees don't own any kind of car like that, so. Guess we start asking people. Okay. Let's go see these guys. This guy walking away, did you see that?
Yeah.
Keep an eye out. There you go.
There he goes. Dispatch, cell 865. Go.
He's still in here. Where'd he go? Get out the ground!
Get out of the car!
Get out now! Get out! Get out! Get out of the car! Dispatch, shots fired.
In the wake of the incident, the department put Hernandez on administrative leave, and following the indictment, they fired him, according to the police. According to court documents, the former police officer is free on a $50,000 bail and is scheduled to appear in court again on November 22nd. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to check out more of our content.